See question number 15 children, question number 14 homework. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So they ask you to find out the time. For that, first you see that let AB is equal to h meter be the height of the tower. A be the point of observation. Okay. C and D be the positions of the cars. So first we are observing ACB from car here 30 degree. After that, so this is 30 degree. Okay. Then next depression is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So here only one condition is there. In previous cases and all they are given the distances. Here in this question they did not give the distance. Instead of that what they are given? They are given the time. Okay. So first one they are given the time as 6 seconds. Okay. So see that we know that let the speed of the car be x meter per second. We have to consider because we don't know the speed of the car. Okay. CD is the distance covered in 6 seconds because in the first question itself they are given 6 seconds later. Okay. So CD is the distance travelled by the car in 6 seconds. Okay. So see that speed is x meter. So distance equal to what? Speed into time. We know very well. Okay. So 6 seconds speed is x we consider and the time is we consider that as 6. So 6 into x, 6x. So the distance CD we will get 6x. Okay. Next we have to see if the car takes t seconds. ഇവിടുത്തെ സമയം നമുക്കറിയില്ല. D to B we don't know the time. So t seconds to travel from D to B we have to consider that. Okay. So here the distance is what? Speed into time. Speed also we don't know. Time also t we consider. Speed we consider x. That both the values we don't know the unknowns x and t we have to consider. So distance is equal to speed into time, that is xt. So the distance db is xt and distance cd is 6x. Okay. So we will have two right triangles. What are the two right triangles? A, B, C. So first we are considering right triangle ABD. Tan 60 is equal to AB by BD, that is root 3 is equal to h by xt, h is equal to root 3 xt. Second one we are considering right triangle ABC. Tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BC, that is h divided by 6x plus xt. So x is common. So I take the common factor outside. Okay. So h divided by x into 6 plus t. So h value already we got this as root 3 xt. So substitute 1 in 2. We will get 1 by root 3 is equal to, instead of the place x, we have to consider that as root 3 xt. So root 3 xt divided by x into 6 plus t, x and x get cancelled. So 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 t divided by 6 plus t. If you are cross multiplying, 6 plus t is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3t. So 3t is right side. So I am transforming this t to the right side of the equation. 6 equal to 3t minus t, that is 2t. So 2t equal to 6. So t equal to 6 divided by 2, that is t equal to 3 seconds. Understood clearly children? So this pattern of questions only very important because instead of given distance directly, they will give you the time. Okay, one of the times they will give. So you must apply this pattern of questions like this manner and proceed it. Then nothing difficult in that. Let's see children, question number 60. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary, prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay, so we must find out the height of the tower that I am considering as h, that equal to 6 meter. For that they are given that these two angles are complementary to each other. Okay, so complementary means if you are considering two angles, the sum is 90 degree. Okay, so first angle, if you are considering theta, means what will be the complementary angle of theta? 90 minus theta. So I am marking these complementary angles as theta and 90 minus theta. So C is a point from this base as 4 meter. The total D is from 9 meter. So what will be CD? 9 minus 4, 5 meter. Okay. So write, let AB equal to h meter be the height of tower. Angle ADB equal to theta and angle ACB equal to 90 minus theta. From right triangle ABD, tan theta is equal to, what will come? AB divided by BD. Okay, so tan theta is equal to AB is h divided by DB, that is 9. Equation number 1. Again we have to consider triangle ABC. Tan 90 minus theta equal to AB divided by BC. So tan 90 minus theta, what are complementary angle? Tan 90 minus theta is what, children? Cot theta, isn't it? So cot theta is equal to AB h divided by BC 4. Equation number 2. All of you see, we will get two equations. They ask you to find out the height h. Okay. For that we will have tan theta is equal to h by 9 and cot theta is equal to h by 4. From this, how we will eliminate the theta value and we will get the h value? What we have to do? Yes, very good. We have to do multiplication. Okay, tan theta into cot theta. So, equation 1 into equation 2 round implies tan theta into cot theta is equal to h by 9 into h by 4. Tan theta into cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Okay, children. So, tan theta into 1 by tan theta. That is equal to h square by 36. Tan theta and tan theta get cancelled. So, 1 equal to h square by 36. So, h square equal to 36. H is equal to root of 36. That is 6 meter. That will be the, they ask you to write. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So, h, that is the height of the tower, we got as 6 meter. Hence proved. Okay. So, if you know to draw the diagram, nothing difficult in this part, children. The balance question only. Question number 3, question number 9, question number 12 and question number 14. Only 4 question homework is given. That 4 question you have to try to do by yourself, and interactive section we can discuss that. Okay. Thank you very much, children.